What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T. So guys, it is Saturday today, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I had something to do earlier, so I could not start in the morning. It's currently 4:30. Is that the afternoon or is that the evening? Let me know in the comments if it's the afternoon or the evening. I'm gonna say it's the evening. Like, it's 4:30. Half of the day going, okay? It's done. But I did have something very, very important to do. I couldn't put it off, so I did it, and now I am out here today. So I told myself, like, look, we got to do something today, okay? Just because we can work in the beginning of the day does not mean you could come out at the end of the day and try to make a quick little $100 or something. It might not be quick, though. Saturdays are hit or misses, and it's been very, very slow lately. So I don't know if the 100 gonna be quick or if the 100 gonna be slow, if I'm even gonna be able to get to the 100. But that's gonna be the goal today because of the time. I know since it's 4:30 right now, I already know that I ain't gonna be out here till no 12 o'clock. So I know that I'm not even gonna be out here for 6 hours. I'm gonna try to thug it to about 9 or 10. It's really gonna be 9 probably, because if you guys can't tell, few videos ago, like, I started slowing down. So I used to upload every single day, then I started going every other day, and then I think it's been 2 days. By the time y'all see this video, it's not gonna be Saturday, but I believe it was on, I didn't post Thursday or Friday, something like that. But anyway, I missed 2 days worth of videos, and I really want to get back to posting every single day. It's been a lot. I'm not gonna lie, YouTube is not that easy. Like, it's been a lot, you know what I mean? Making longer videos requires more editing time, and not only that, but I got out of my little flow and my little rhythm that I was doing when I was making the videos. So yeah, like, so I gotta stop today probably around 9 because I got to get a video out today. I must. All right, so with that being said, I am about to turn on Instacart, Doordash, Uber Eats, yeah, and we're gonna see what we get, y'all. So let's see how long it take me to make $100, or let's see if I can make $100 by 9 o'clock. So let's go, guys. All right, guys, so I just accepted an order at Aldi's. I think it's $31 or 36. It could be either or. I hope it's 36. I forgot that fast. But it's for 2 customers. It is going 9 miles. It is like 33 or 34 items. I'm gonna put it in the screen. Customer A only wants 3 items. Customer B, I believe, wants like 30 or 31 items. But it's gonna be quick because I'm in Aldi's all the time now, so I can literally like do it really fast. But let me tell y'all what happened. So when I get to click on to the Instacart app, it asks me for like my ID. I had to like look like straight in the camera. I had to go to each side, and I'm just like, really, do I really have to do all of this? Like, really, Instacart, like, you're doing this now? Like, why not do it? Like, you know, like, why not ask for this later when I'm not trying to make any money? So that slowed me down just a little bit, but it is what it is. So let me go into the Aldi's and get this order done. All right, guys, so that order went by really quick. It took me about 20 minutes to do the shop. There was one item I could not find, but the store associate helped me find it, and I needed to do like maybe like 3 or 4 replacements, but the customer was like pretty open to replacements, so I was able to do that. So I got all of the items. Yeah. Oh yeah, the guy in the store associate, the one that helped me find one of the items, he was like, are you a baseball fan, or do you just like the jersey? And I'm like, I like the jersey, you know, like, it's cute. Y'all think it's cute? Yeah, see, it's cute. It was expensive though. Like, I told him, like, yo, I pay almost $100 for this jersey, and he was like, yeah, that's why I do the knockoffs. And I'm like, yo, like, I didn't know that, like, they still had knockoff jerseys. Like, I really didn't know that. And then it's like, where you get them from? But yeah, like, so me and him, he's like mad cool or whatever. Like, I was telling him, like, I appreciate how fast he is, like, at checkout and everything. Like, he be like shoom 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 shoom, and he don't be throwing the groceries. Like, he be like, he got this whole motion with him where he like, it just flow, you know what I'm saying? Like, he ain't just throwing them in the cart like a lot of Aldi workers do. But yeah, so let me get to the customer, guys. I just felt the need to tell y'all that, let y'all know how my grocery experience was. So yeah, let's go to the customer. Alright guys, I just dropped off to the first customer, very, very smooth. And now I am off to drop off to the second customer. So, let's go. Alright guys, so that order delivery went by really, really smooth with the last customer. She was very, very nice. She was like, so thank you so much, blah 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 blah. I'm like, you're very welcome, you know. And now it brought me to an area where the other Costco is, but Costco is closed. But there's an Aldi's over here, there's a BJ's over here, there's a ShopRite over here, there's a Stop and Shop over here. So I said, you know what, it was only a mile away from where I'm at. Ain't no point in me going all the way back where I started at. Plus, I ain't put gas in my tank yet. Nobody did not. And I'm trying to get as much as possible before I have to put more gas in. You feel me? So I'm gonna sit here and wait for a little while, see what I get. I'm seeing orders, but they're like far away from me, or they don't make sense. I'll probably wait here for about like maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Not too long, because y'all know I had a very, very late start. So maybe if I don't get an order from this Aldi's or the ShopRite, BJ's, whatever, in a few minutes, I will turn the food delivery apps back on, and then we will get to it. So let's go, y'all. All right, guys, so I just accepted an order on Uber because I'm not about to sit and wait around, but I just know, like, with this food delivery, it's just gonna burn out with gas. God damn it. But it's going 2 miles, $8.46, something like that. Never been to this restaurant before. Hopefully I don't regret it. So let's get to it. Ooh, this sun is disrespectful today. Bright sun. Customer a mile away. Let's go. Alright guys, so after I did that last order, which went by very smoothly, by the way. I mean, we had some impatient drivers on the road that decided to beep at me, but other than that, the drop off went smooth. After I did the drop off, I started noticing like a lot of the like food delivery orders that was coming in that area was trying to take me like too far away from like my area. So I just came back to my area. I'm seeing a lot of Instacart orders, but they suck. Like, they're like $9, $7, like $10. Like, I would do a $15 order, but that junk gotta be like 3 miles tops. You get what I'm saying? Couple items. But I'm not really seeing anything. I don't know. I'm getting the food delivery orders. Doordash keep pausing me because I keep declining the orders. So let's see. Let's wait and see what we get. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm just sitting here just declining. So let's see what we get. Alright guys, so look. I just accepted this order. Judge me if you want. But it says Stop and Shop. 9 items, $13, 1 customer, 1 mile. I'd rather do that real quick, because it's real quick, like all the items in the same area. I'd rather do that than just sit here because it's getting later. It's 7:05, y'all. Like, I only got about 2 more hours out here, and then I gotta, you know, finish editing this video, get this video out, you get what I'm saying, and stuff like that. So let's go. All right, guys, that order took me like, oh God, this sun is crazy. That order literally took me like 10 minutes. I screenshotted it. I'm gonna put it in the screen. It might not even took me 10 minutes, but I think it took me like 10, 11 minutes, somewhere around there. And I am done. Checkout was a breeze because my there was no line or anything like that. And I was in and out, and the customer is 1 mile away. Really not, to be honest with you, really not even 1 mile away, because I know exactly where they are. They're right around the corner from the store. So let's go to the customer, drop this off. I am going to use my wagon to make this order as easy as possible, since they did have 1 case of water and 3 gallons of water. So let's go, y'all. All right, guys, so I just did a order on Instacart. It was at ShopRite. I believe it was like 9 items. It's going a few miles. I'm going to put it in the screen because I really don't remember how much it was for, because my man called me, y'all, and we be boo-loving some time on the phone, and I got distracted, and I don't remember, but it was a good order, though. I don't know if it's 20. I think it was like $20 or something, like $20-something for just 9 items going a couple of miles. But I am going to put it in the screen. So let's go drop it off to the customer, guys. Alright, guys, so it is 8:30. I have to make $27 to hit 100, which is actually pretty good. I just accepted an order on Doordash. It's for $6.75. Hopefully there's a hidden tip in there. It's at a Popeyes. It's only going 2 miles, right? So I'm about to go do that right now. After that, hopefully it's not dark yet, so I can keep filming, because y'all know I don't like filming in the dark. So I should be back looking like this. If not, I'm still gonna be back. All right, so let me go to this Popeyes and get this this order, guys. All right, guys, so I want to tell you how my Saturday ended up ending. I couldn't make an ending video because it got dark. I stopped a little after 9:30, but I was done before 10, and I wrote down my numbers. All right, so on Instacart I made $63.64. On Doordash I made $18, and on Uber I made $22.57. So that brings me a total of $104.21. So I worked about, I guess you could say, 5 hours. So I mean, as long as I went over the 100, it was what it was. I already knew that I wasn't making $200. I knew I wasn't making $150 because I had such a late start. I believe I started at like 4:30, and then I had to go through the whole thing with the Instacart face scanning me and scanning my ID and everything like that. So I probably ain't even really get started till 5 o'clock. So I mean, if you think about it, those are decent numbers, especially because I didn't even work a full entire day. So my Saturday was good. It was decent. You know what I mean? Like, I hit the goal that I put on myself for that day. So if you made it this far into this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Okay, guys? Bye.